Hey, what's going on, guys? It's me, Koning. And today's video is going to be another unboxing video, part 2. Anyways, guys, so let's go ahead and get started. So, the reason why I have my hand on here, again, like I said, like the last time, my address is on here, so I'm gonna go ahead and flip it. And by the way, this package was from SCR Safety. That was kind of like a souvenir. I guess you could call that. So, let's go ahead and get started. Let's unbox it. Alright. Let's see. Hang on. Oh, hang on, I got it. And this is not actually a police station. This is actually an alarm. So let's see. All right. Hang on. There. So this is the package. So let's get it out. This is actually a system sensor. Hang on. Can you remove this? I don't. Oh, I guess you can see the model number right here. P2R Specular Advanced Horn Strobe. It's it looks. See, I have the Specular Classic, but not the Specular Advanced. And I've been wanting these for a long time, and I forgot to mention in the last video I was supposed to get like another package from like a couple days ago. So yeah. So this is really cool. This is really cool to add to my collection. I'm not gonna be wiring it up today because I just don't feel like it. So anyway, So anyway, thank you guys for watching this video. It took me like about a few minutes to create this. So anyway, thank you guys for watching. Have a good day. Peace. Goodbye.